Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am doing a little slime thing, and it's going to do on the glow in the dark Elmer's glue colored slimes, and just a normal one, but there's a new addition, which is that they have glitter, sparkly ones, so I'm going to be trying out these. I'm trying to think which one I should do first. So, let's see. I think I'm going to do Miny Mo, touch a cat, yep. So I'm going to be doing this one first. And I'm going to put it in this container. And I'm going to be mixing it in this container. Where did I do this one? Oh, here's this one. So, I have a spoon, I have the glue, and I have baking soda, and my saline solution. That's what I'm going to use for this. So, I'm going to open up this. There we go. I'm filming a little bit late today because I have to go to the BJ's to get me new mattresses. So, yeah. So, ooh, let's look at it. Watch it. These are not cold here, I don't think. Yeah, they can't be clear. Very thick. It's not coming out. I'm trying to get this out. Be right back when I got this all out. So I finally got most of it out. I don't know if I can show you, but this is what it looks like. You can see the glitter. Okay, sorry if you hear, I'm in my basement right now. And yeah, it's sort of noisy upstairs. So let's see. So, whoa, this is super thick. This is hard to mix, sort of. So now we're going to do baking soda. Because with the white slime, we don't have to make a solution before. Oops, I got glue in there now. And I don't know, it might be thundering and lightning upstairs. So, if you hear that, sorry guys. There's a lot going on in my house.
Glenn's going to take that little bike for his daughter. I called Glenn about that other bike. Oh, okay. He's going to take it for his daughter.
Oh, sorry.
I'll take some work on Monday.
Okay. Now that that's mixed in, we'll use saline solution. The cap almost broke. Oh no, not a good idea to go in my hands yet. So, leave that there because I don't want to get the table dirty because I just cleaned the table. But I should have said it was going to go on my hands. So annoying. Okay. So, I went into it with my hands too fast. So, it looks like it's working. It's a little stupid. I've never used this glue before. Yeah, so I'll be back when it's not as sticky. So guys, I made this slime, and we're going to see what the clickies are, what the crackalackles are, and bubble-wise and traject-wise. So there's a little bit still on the packet. So here we have the slime. Let's do cooking. PJ. So I got rid of PJ so I can do the red side. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good.
Didn't make enough. You only made like 300 coins.
Not really. What I realized off camera, that this is actually, yeah, it actually is a clear slime. So, I didn't realize that. This is actually a clear slime. So, let's do a slime swirl. It's not the stretchiest. I think it's not the stretchiest because I'm not the best clear slime maker. This is one of my best clear slimes and stretchiest slimes, clear slimes I made. So. So this is a pretty good slime. It's a little bit overactivated because I'm not good at making clear slimes, but yeah. Let's move on to the next slime. So now we're going to make the next slime. Going dark pink glitter clear orange glue. It's only clear when you stretch it out. Realize, so this is what it is.
I need you to stop.
It's obviously new. So yeah. So I got this container. We're gonna use this. So let's see. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, it's pretty. So yeah. Let's start doing it. Ooh, this one looks a little bit more runnier than the other one for some reason. So I just finished putting everything of glue in because it's mostly out. It takes forever to get all of it out with these thick slimes. I might be able to I might do a video where I cut these bottles open and get the rest of the glue out. So yeah, wait. So now we have this spoon. Oh yes, it's not as thick. I noticed that. Now put this baking soda in. It's probably gonna ruin the color, but that's okay. It's okay. Oh, it didn't ruin the color much. Still looks the same with the baking soda. See? Okay, so now let's do some saline solution. Sorry for the background noises. It's my brother. This one's maybe it's because of the container why this one is activating better. So, yep, too sticky. But we're gonna try it and see what will happen. So, let's try starting with our hands. So, be back when I got this under control. So, I finally got this under control. This slime, I feel like it's not as stiff as the white glittered one. See, it looks way better. So, let's try cookies test. Maybe a little bit better than the white one. The clear one. I didn't do a bubble with the other one because That was way too hard to stretch. This one I might try a bubble with. Try doing. There's the bubble. This one is really good crackle up. Later! Stop it! So, yeah, this is pretty nice. Do it Insta swirl. And once again, this is clear slime, and this is my best clear slime. Yeah. So, I have a video planned, and I think, because the clear slime that I tried making for it, the air bubbles never came out, and it's been over 2 months of waiting, and it's not clearing up, and it's super, super rippy. So I think I'm just going to do it with this white slime that I made today. So let's see. That was one of the worst I've ever done. So. Here's the slime, the final results. As you can see, the bubbles are clear, so I really like this. Put it in the box. So, oh, I have to clean the spoon off. I like reusing the spoon, so wasting the extra slime and having it go down the drain, which is not end up well. So yeah. There we go. And those were both of the slimes I made. They turned out pretty well. Sorry if half my head was cut off in this video. I do not have a big screen, so the viewfinder is not big enough for me to talk. So I know, I'm still waiting for my thing to put up. We're just using things to hold the camera. But yeah, here are my slimes. So hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and hit the bell if you want to get notified every time I post a video. So see you guys later. Bye.